In this video, I'll show you how to enable Facebook Zero Data Mode on your phone. This feature helps you use Facebook with very little mobile data by loading a simpler version of the app with fewer images and videos. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon to open the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you find the Media or Data Saver option. Tap on Data Saver to open the settings for reducing data usage. Now turn on the toggle next to Data Saver. Once this option is enabled, Facebook will reduce the quality of images and videos and stop videos from playing automatically. This helps save mobile data while you browse your feed, watch posts, or check notifications. You can still tap on photos or videos if you want to load them in higher quality, but they will not load automatically. This is especially useful if you want to control how much data the app uses while you are browsing. And that's how you can enable Facebook Zero Data Mode. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.